before y'all start over. You are a hater. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's free. Like, we love free stuff around here. Alright, so as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we're in a new environment, of course. I've been waiting for this for entirely too long, but yeah, we're just gonna hop right into the video, give you like a quick little apartment tour. So as you can see, this is the front door. You come in and you're in like this little mini foyer area. So we have this door right here, and it's just a little closet. I think I might get like a little organizer. I think I might get like a little organizer for like the shoes, and then just hang up like jackets or something, put the room and stuff in there, you know, whatever. The living room, I don't know if you can tell how big it is from like where she is, but it's a pretty decent size. I honestly love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take y'all out. This is just our little patio area. They said we got snakes, so we got some mothballs, but I gotta check first before I step back. Anyway, so yeah, this is our little patio area, and it's honestly a decent size. Like, it's like a nice little size. I can put some okay, so this is our patio area. It's honestly a decent, what is that? It's our little patio area. It's honestly a nice little size or whatever. I can't wait to really decorate, put some furniture out here, maybe some lights around the little railing. But yeah, then we have this closet. It's locked, but I got a key now. I'll show y'all later. Anyway, it's just like a little storage closet. It's a nice size. It kind of looks like the closets that are in there, but yeah. Back in, and this is your view. Here, and then you walk right here. This is my kitchen. There's a lot of cabinet space, so that's what I like. I can fill it up with stuff that I probably don't be eating, but it's good. Fridge, nothing in the freezer. We got some drinks in the fridge. I mean, at least we won't be thirsty. I love the fact that there's a dishwasher, because if I'm being honest, I don't like washing dishes. I need to get some light bulbs because I don't like the yellow lighting. You know, we need some good lighting for the video or whatever. But yeah, there's stuff on the island right now, but it's not really an island because it's not separate, right? Or is it?
It's separate from the counter and stuff.
Okay, but so there's stuff on the island right now. We gotta set up our Wi-Fi and stuff like that, but this is a nice size as well. There's a lot of cabinets over here. All the drawers. The ones on this side actually do open, the ones on the other side don't. But that's just extra space. They do. They actually do open, y'all. No, the top ones don't. No, those look like they're closed. Come over here. We have a pantry, nice size pantry. Like I said, just fill it up with stuff that I probably don't need to be eating. But yeah. Laundry room. We don't have a washer and dryer yet, but I plan to get one soon, hopefully. So yeah, nice little laundry room area. Come on, let's go. Okay, so boom, as you see, walk down the hallway, whatever. The first room that's gonna be on your right. Oh, sorry, let's go back. There's a door on your right. Open the door. This is gonna be our little linen closet, towels, tissue paper towels, whatever. Then we'll second door on your right. This is the guest room, super spacious, as you can see. Yeah. We do have 2 bedrooms. So this is the guest bedroom. Nice size closet for this one. Super freaking cute. I'm honestly like so in love with this person. Okay, so boom. First room on your left is going to be the bathroom. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all. Well, it's not like tell y'all, but The freaking wallpaper up here, I honestly hate it. I just don't know if I can take it down. Anyway, I don't want to get like fined if I take it down and it like ruin something. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it up until I get a chance to ask her. But yeah, here's the bathroom. Okay, so we have like a little medicine cabinet, I guess you can say, but just extra storage. Then we have drawers. I still haven't, well, we still haven't got a chance to clean yet. My mom and my grandma's actually on the way. But yeah, super cute, a nice little size. I do want to change that shower head out, cause it's a little crusty looking. But yeah, the bathroom, you guys. And at the end of the hall, we have the master bedroom. As you can see, a whole lot of space, a whole lot of closet space. Yeah, so the guest bedroom only has one of these closets, but the master has two. As you can see, really looks like a whole lot of space. I did stay here last night, so that's why the TV is on the floor. Yeah, we didn't have Wi-Fi last night, but we figured it out. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, but just stay tuned for our little move-in series or whatever. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.